Hey, Synergy here, and today we're going to teach you the proper way to irrigate a plant using drip irrigation. Using this simple but effective method will give plants the best chance to survive and thrive in the Okanagan's intense summer heat. These red bins are home to all of the parts needed to properly irrigate a plant using drip irrigation. The bins contain a barb, 1-gallon emitters, 2-gallon emitters, alligator stakes, and a yellow poker used to insert the barbs. You will also need to have 3/4-inch polyline ran close to each plant, as well as 1/4-inch polyline or spaghetti line and a pair of cutters. Start by taking the yellow poker tool and using the sharp end pierce the 3/4-inch polyline that was laid between each plant. Then grab a barb from the red bins, place the barb into the hole on the bottom of the yellow poker. Take the poker with the barb on the end and push the barb firmly against the hole that was made by the yellow poker tool. Apply pressure evenly. It can be difficult to get the barb in depending on temperature and other factors. Be mindful of the 3/4-inch poly pipe while pushing the barb as to not compromise the poly line. Now it's time to grab the 1/4-inch line or spaghetti line. Take the end of the spaghetti line and place the opening onto the barb that is sticking out of the 3/4-inch poly. You want to get the spaghetti line to cover all or most of the barb. It may take some pressure to get the spaghetti line secured onto the barb. Next, measure out the length of spaghetti line needed to reach the outside of the root ball and cut the spaghetti line with the cutters. Take an emitter from the red bins and put it on the other side of the spaghetti line. Then grab an alligator stake and push the spaghetti line into the teeth of the stake until the line is snugly in place. Place the stake into the root ball of the plant away from the middle stem. This will allow the new roots that grow out of the root ball to still get the water required to grow out from the plant. And that's it. Now you know how to properly irrigate plants using drip irrigation the Synergy way.